Sorry there was no video last week. I was out of town. Thought I was gonna get something cut and released. In spite of that, this was wishful thinking and did not happen. Much needed rest, and I'm back. New stuff coming. More chasers, all that stuff. It is summer in the city. I'm in Riverside Park. It's bright, it is hot, it's like 95 degrees. Got my Shade Tree sunglasses on. Shade Tree makes these fantastic wooden framed sunglasses with polarized lenses, and they make them really well and affordable, and they ship them straight to you. And if you follow the link in the video, you'll get $5 off your order. So, make good stuff. They look cool, lots of great designs to choose from, and if you check them out, I would really appreciate it. They help the show. Thank you. And right now, gotta clear the air, because a couple of weeks ago, we released an episode about making a Cosmo, and I got some stuff wrong. I'm supposed to make that with Absolute Citron, Citronella, and I didn't. I don't know why that happened. It just did. So let's redo that. This is Chaser, Cosmopolitan. So I'm back home from the liquor store, and the main thing that I didn't have before that I needed was a bottle of Absolute Citron. Definitely there are some recipes that are going to use a different lemon vodka. I'm pretty sure that Absolute's was the one that the drink was invented around down in Miami. I got all that wrong in the main video. It's pretty, there's basically only about 2 people who the drink might have been invented by. And 2 locations. I'm not mistaken, I think it was Gaz Reagan. I wrote an article by him, said that he was pretty well convinced of the Miami connection. So, let's do that. We're gonna make Dale DeGroff's recipe today though, because a lot of you guys were asking me to make that one. Everybody says that that's probably the best version of it, so let's make it and taste it and see how it is. Okay, this drink's gonna start with a 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1 ounce of cranberry juice. I need a 1/2 ounce of a orange liqueur. Most recommendations call for Cointreau, so we're gonna use that. Now I need 1.5 ounces of a lemon vodka. The original is with Absolute Citron as far as I know, so that's what we're gonna go with. Nice, good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've got my chilled cocktail glass, old school. Pour. Lovely cocktail. Lovely color. We're gonna peel off a strip of this orange as per the instructions of Dale DeGroff. Flame it. I'm out of matches, so I'm gonna do this a little overkill. Okay, so there it is. That is the Cosmopolitan, as per Dale DeGroff. How is it? Let's give it a taste. Very lemony, very lemony. You get a lemon nose, a little bit of orange. You get lemon taste. I mean, it is. I don't get the cranberry at all. I think it's really just there for the color. It's a nice drink. It's definitely drinkable. I have no real objection to it. It's not exciting or nuanced, has no real evolution. All things being equal, I think I still like the version I did with the splash of maraschino in it a little bit better. I don't know if it still qualifies as a Cosmo. I got the history of the drink wrong. Dale DeGroff probably had the main hand in making this drink popular prior to Sex and the City. When he started making them at the Rainbow Room. I think at that time, and probably still now, flamed orange peel is something that most of your cocktail goer public are gonna be pretty unaccustomed to, and they're gonna think that's wild, crazy, cool stuff. Very refreshing, very, very tart. It does not have any, this is such a stupid thing, but it doesn't have any bass notes, you know, it's all treble, if that makes any sense. I know that's a weird way to talk about flavors, but it's kind of how my brain feels about it, which is why I kind of like a little bit of maraschino or something like that in there. It kind of just needs like a modifier, I think. So this has been Chaser for the Cosmopolitan. You guys told me I did it wrong. Mea culpa, I did. We remade it the way that Dale DeGroff did, I hope. That's the show. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys Friday with another cocktail. If you like the show, I hope you're gonna subscribe and turn on notifications. I feel like an idiot saying that. I tweet at How to Drink. I'm on Instagram at How to Drink. I have a Patreon at patreon.com/howtodrink. I have a blog at thisishowtodrink.com. I have all those things. If you like the show, maybe you can check them out. If you don't like the show, you can tell me why, and I'll try to get back to you. Leave me a comment. I love comments. Cheers. I'll see you Friday.
What I got, you got to give it to your mama. What I got, you got to give it to your papa. What I got, you got to get it, put it in you. You do a little dance and then you drink a little water. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now.